purchase budget okay, from May to December 2014. Okay? You're going to need a few things. Okay, now first off here, this is May. I'm just going to do a few months for you as usual. Right? And then the rest you can do on your own. Right? All the way, and then you're going to do la 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 all the way to the end. Right? Now, first and foremost, what is the sales units? Right? We covered 2 months of that, isn't it? We're told in the question, first month of May, sales unit, 260,000. Great. Okay? For the month of June, 250,000. Thank you. All right. Fine. That is the sales units. Then, question. Every unit you sell, how much direct materials do you require? No, that's the cost. But how much in terms of quantity? Every component you produce requires what? Right. So you need to times 2 units. Correct? You understand that? Huh? Times 2 units. You understand? Direct materials. Yeah? Because to make one of this to sell, yeah, you need 2 units of direct materials. In the question it tells us, isn't it? Right? So what is this times 2? How much? 520. Yes? This times 2. Yeah? And the other one? Of course, times 2 will give you 500. Yes? Then you do all the rest, okay? Now, but, what else are we told? We're told that we need to have a certain required amount of closing stocks. Yeah? How much? The closing stock. You require 25% of the next month's requirements. Okay? You're told that you require 25% closing stock in the question, yeah? Where is this 25% from? They tell you that this month you want to keep at least 25% of next month's requirement. Why? In case, next month you don't have enough raw materials, at least you have 25%. You understand that? How much is 25% of this? 125. Okay. So 125,000. Yeah? Okay, this is the sales unit, yeah? Okay. Stops here. That is every month. So how much is this times this? 520. Okay? 25% of the next month, 125. So how much is the total here? 645. Yeah? Just add it up. You understand that? Okay? 645. All get this? Alright? But you're told that you have a certain amount of opening stocks. Yeah? In the question? How much is your opening stocks given to you in the question? There we go. 140,000 given in the question. Right? So we got to take 645 minus away 140. Right? So how much is the answer here? 505. Exactly. So this is the direct materials that you need to buy. Okay, so this will be the direct materials, alright, that you need to buy. Okay? However, how much, my question would be your direct materials cost. How much per unit? Just now you told me? 25 cents. Right? So how much is 25 cents? You need to buy 505,000 raw materials, direct materials. How much does it cost you? Times 25 cents. 1? Thank you. 126,250. That's what you need. 126,250. That's what you need. Can you understand it? I'll explain to you again. Right, slowly. First, we take the sales unit. Yes, because that's given in the question. The question also tells us to make one of this to sell, we need 2 units of direct material. Yeah? So we multiply by 2, and we know we need to buy 520. But you're also told in the question, every month you want to have 25% of the next month's requirements as a standby, isn't it? All right, so we keep some. So we need to buy in total 520 plus 125, which is 645. The question also tells us, in the month of May, you have opening inventory of 140,000. That means you don't need to buy 645 all. Right? So you minus this away, you only need to buy 505. Correct? And the question tells you 1 unit of raw material costs 25 cents. So in total, this is your cost of materials for May. Yeah? And all you got to do is every month. That one you don't have. So okay, all the way to December, yeah? I know, this one you don't have, very sharp. So in the case of December, yeah? Over here, December, this is 290,000. Okay, I'll just show you December, yeah? All right, so this is 290 times 2 will be 580, correct? All right, but how much is here? Because we don't have January, isn't it? We don't have January. So this part here, leave it as 0. Because you're not given in the question. Are you given in the question? No, so forget it, 0. Right? Then you cannot be wrong because you don't have the information. You understand? So that means for the month of December, you have no required closing stock. You don't have. So all you have would be 580. Right? But you still have closing stocks to minus, so you must work that out, which I cannot tell you. You understand?
So what is the opening stocks quantity?
I was waiting for somebody to ask me. Yes? There you go. Look at your cash budget. Remember, with 1 month's closing stocks, closing balance is next month's. Got that? Concepts. The question was this. Opening stocks, first one given to you. For June, what is the opening stock? It is actually May's closing. Correct? Yeah? May's closing becomes June's opening, isn't it? Of course. So, easy? Yeah? It's a lot of concepts, right? Accounts is like that. But that's not all, because this is only your materials budget. Okay? So you take this down, and then I'll show you the cash budget for the format for the cash budget. All of this down already? Or taking it? I'm taking. Okay.